Hello everyone, enrich your vocabulary daily with Aamya Sachdeva. Use this vocabulary in your daily life and elevate your English to the next level. The word of today is Nifty. In this video, you will learn its meaning, synonyms and example sentences. So let's get started. The word Nifty means extremely good, attractive or stylish. The synonyms of this word can be dandy, excellent, skillful and practical. Let us see how this word can be used in different sentences. Number 1. Bridgeport is a pretty nifty place. These little nifty devices look like small pizza cutters and have very sharp blades that can cut through several layers of fabric at a time. This nifty smartphone application would be a great resource to use when trying to find the right color palette for your country kitchen. So, always try to become a best version of yourself and be a nifty person. Kindly like, share and follow my channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you and stay blessed.